Sir, we have 2 aircraft contacts on radar. Take them out! Now! Sir, we got them successfully. Good! Quickly verify what happened to the pilots.
This mission is extremely difficult, and it may have no return. The strike on American base in Kuwait. Given the high risk of the operation, we will use F-15 fighter jets.
They're old, but they're small and fast.
Given the F-15's limited fuel range, you'll take this direct route. Stay under 100 meters, below their radar.
Are you seriously taking a selfie? This might be our last photo. God willing. Watch out! Cruise missiles! They're launching from Kuwait!
It's time. Launch the drones and missiles to support them.
Sir, multiple drones and missiles inbound to Kuwait base have been detected. Pin down their route and activate every air defense system along their path! Do not let them reach the base. Concentrate all defensive systems on those drones and missiles. Do not let any more of them hit Kuwait base. Commander, we have reports of several large explosions at base. They were not caused by missiles or drones. Sir, those explosions were caused by Kuwaiti fighter jets. How did we miss them on radar? Identify them now!
Let's finish this.
Sir, we have 2 aircraft contacts on radar. Take them out! Now! Sir, another aircraft has been detected and locked. Engage that one too. Sir, we got them successfully. Good! Quickly verify what happened to the pilots. Yes, understood. What? What happened? Sir, the aircraft we shot down were American F-15s. Then where did the Iranian jets go?